Yo guys, we're back here with a brand new product we just received, and it's a real good. I've tested this light before and I just bought another second one. So we're testing the ESDDI PLV 280. So let's go ahead and get started. With this PLV 280, you have the option to connect it with the battery, also with the power source. You could also change the brightness level. Also includes battery chargers. The cabling also comes in with the mounting bracket with the battery. The charger, this port, the DC, to keep it continuously lit on, you will need to actually buy an adapter. So I will link the description below, so go take a look at it. You also get some pretty badass, some extra stuff. You get 5 presets. You get white, you get like a orange color, you get like a lime green or yellow, you get like a pink reddish, you get like a blue, aqua blue or some kind of similar color. So you get those things included with all this. You also get a little manual here for it. So let's go ahead and do a little demo on this. As you can see, you get like a little bit of a bright white light there. You could also, by changing it here, as it's right now it's set to 50, so you could dim it down as much as possible. Just add a white little filter on it. It's not gonna change much because it's white. So let's add like a blue filter. All you do is just clip it onto the little clips here. There's little clips here, and then you just slide it up and you get a blue hue. That's pretty much it. You just get a blue hue. You also get like a pinkish. Just go ahead and try like a pinkish reddish. Slide it in and you get like a pinkish glow. If it's too bright for you, the lowest is gonna go is 10. That's the lowest it's gonna go. To turn on and off the device, you actually just hold this power button, turns off, and you turn it on, you hold the power button, and voila. That's pretty much it, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Make sure you smash that like this video. Also, share this video if your friends need extra lighting for it. We'll see you guys on the next videos. Peace out.